We are about to go on an epic road trip to go find the Mochinut Donuts, which are made out of mochi. And we're about to drive 4 hours to go see them, and we're gonna try them. What do you think, son?
Yes, and what?
Ah, M&Ms. What do you think, Mama? Ah! All right, this place has like 4 names. It is Bin-Su Korean dessert, Chun rice hot dog, and inside we have the Mochinut. You see the Mochinut on the window there. Right there on the window, Mochinut. What do you think, Mama? Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah. All right, this one here is white chocolate. Oh wow, it's super chewy and gummy. Super sweet and a gummy flavor. Very tasty. I think my wife is gonna attack me and eat this one. This is so good. All right, this one here is tahiti. That one's really mild. I like that on the back, they really don't have any flavoring. So it's pretty mild so that you get all of the flavoring on the top. Very, very tasty, super chewy and gummy. Really, really tasty. This one here is the original. You see here how it just pulls apart. Wow. And it springs back when you bite it. Super tasty. Oh, that's awesome. It's delicious. Which one's this?
Churros.
This one here is a churro. That one is like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I know somebody who's gonna really like this one. And then strawberry. And that one's gonna be my son's favorite. That one is so creamy. A mild strawberry flavor, and then it's got sprinkles on top. Super delicious. Okay. Favorite so far is the original and the white chocolate. The good thing about the strawberry is it tastes a lot more moist, and the churro is completely covered with flavoring on all sides. My wife said,
Oh my god.
oh my gosh, super delicious. Do you like it, son? Is it yummy? Yeah. All right, so at Bin-Su, this is the Chun rice hot dog. Now the thing that they really like to do here is they like to add sugar to the outside of the hot dog, and that is an added thing you can get on there. It's no additional charge. All right, so it's a hot dog. It's got breading on the outside plus sugar.
Two.
Oh wow. The breading is light, it's sweet, it's crunchy but moist on the inside. And it actually adds some good nutty flavor to the hot dog. This is probably my favorite hot dog of all time, and I don't even like hot dogs. That's really tasty. It's got a thin crust on it, and it's super creamy. I would give this one a thumbs up. All right, so we picked up 3 more flavors on our epic road trip. Today we got vanilla frappuccino, we got blueberry funnel cake, and we also got banana. So let's go ahead and try it. I think the yellow one's probably going to be banana. Let's see how it tastes. It comes with gummy bears on it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So super banana flavor. If you've ever had like a banana Laffy Taffy, wow, it's just bursting with banana flavor. And it almost tastes like it's banana gummy bears, which is crazy. Super good. It's warm. They just came out. It's ooey gooey. And it tastes super, super yummy. I don't really like fake banana flavors, but that tastes really good on the donut there. All right, so let's go ahead and try the blueberry. And they actually put a blueberry on top so that you can see that it is blueberry with some blueberry drizzle.
Blueberry funnel cake.
Blueberry funnel cake. So that one is a little bit dry. Doesn't have a lot of flavor. It's very underwhelming. I would probably say so far with the ones that we've tried that is my least favorite. All right, and then the last one is, I think this is the vanilla frappuccino. So let's go ahead and try this one. So I know my wife is gonna love this one. You can taste the coffee flavor. I bet that's the chocolate drizzle on top. The vanilla flavoring is pretty good. It's sweet, not overwhelming, but I'll tell you what, out of these 3, my favorite is definitely the banana. And I don't really like fake banana flavoring, but it goes super well with the mochi donut itself. It's super gooey, very flavorful, and it's a nice touch to have the gummy bears on top as well. So far for our epic road trip, I would say that these are amazing. We love the mochi donuts, and we are hoping that they come to San Antonio soon so that we can have some in our hometown. All right, so we dove into the Binsu hot dog category here, and this is the fried ramen Binsu hot dog. And this one has no sugar, but you have the option of getting sugar on it. Wow. So it definitely has a crunch. It is like the ramen noodles that you get in the package, and they are actually flavored. So every bite that you have has the flavoring inside the noodles. I don't know how they do that. Maybe they're cooked noodles that have the flavoring, but it's salty, it's crunchy, and then it's soft on the inside. That is pretty yummy. I'd have to say, for anybody who likes the crunchiness of the raw noodles or likes the flavoring of ramen noodles, should definitely try this out. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.